This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Mercedes-Benz C300. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a six-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a power passenger seat, cruise control, a rear spoiler, fog lamps, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Mercedes-Benz of St. Clair Shores is located at 20200 East 9 Mile Road in St. Clair Shores. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.